This past weekend, my boy dialed in and invited me to a group ride at Battle Creek. While that's not the focus of this vid, I wanted to give a quick glimpse of what went down, starting with Elliot leading the charge down Wall of Death.
Nice. Yeah. Whew.
Start the day.
Yeah. Elliot, all right, man. Yeah, good ride, dude.
After a fun ride at Battle, I got a text asking if I was game to head over to La Crosse, Wisconsin from Owen to check out the new Hixon Forest trails.
Yeah, we were chilling at that park.
Not gonna lie, the brewery area smelled kind of farty. Not the case for the rest of the city though, which had a cool downtown, some good food, and incredible overlooks. We decided to ease into the ride with what we thought would be a chill blue trail called Jedi, which turned out to be more of a deep sapphire blue with violent tendencies. And later we would head down some pretty benign black diamonds. To be honest, the rating system here is a bit of a mixed bag. The trails themselves, however, are pretty awesome.
Oh, dude.
This is a spicy blue out there.
That is a fucking monster blue jump right there.
Yeah.
Dude, that is a major step up. What? Good Lord, man. Yeah, this trail's crazy. Oh man, yeah, that is it's all you, bro. You got that one. Oh man, that's so neat. Wow, dude. It's like some red trail type. The climbs here are so heavy that they have their own signage. So it's like Stevens here is gonna knock out the abyss. Got super coniferous back here. Oh yeah, it's pretty fun. Sweet. This is a drive train killer, dude. Pretty sick. Oh. Man, you're smoking me out back here, man. Kicking up some dust.
I see.